the best mechanical keyboards for 2024. Today we're going to check out the best mechanical keyboards available in 2024 that won't break the bank. So let's take a look at different options for different types of users. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a productivity enthusiast, or just someone looking for a superior typing experience. So let's get started. Cooler Master CK5. Let's dive right in, starting with what we could call, according to various online platforms, the best budget mechanical keyboard. And the first keyboard that deserves a special mention is this Cooler Master, as this model has earned the title of the best budget mechanical keyboard of 2024. And it's easy to see why. This keyboard comes equipped with Gatron switches available in red, blue, and blue variants, and brown, which allows you to choose the type of feedback you prefer from the switches. Gatron switches are known for being a great alternative to the more expensive Cherry MX ones, offering a very similar feel at a reduced cost. The CK552 features, per key, RGB backlighting. This not only makes it aesthetically pleasing, but also functional in low-light environments. Plus, its aluminum top plate gives it a touch of durability and elegance that is rare to find in keyboards in this price range, which is around $80. A highlight of this keyboard is its internal memory, which allows you to store up to 4 different profiles. This is particularly useful for people who are perhaps gamers, who need different macro and backlight settings for different games. Although this can obviously be used even if you work in an office and just need to set it up for different applications. And if you prefer not to install any additional software, this keyboard lets you control many of its functions directly from the keyboard, thanks to its built-in controls. However, like any product, it has some limitations, and some users who have purchased this keyboard point out that the keys with red switches that we mentioned above can be too sensitive, which could potentially lead to unintended accidental presses during quite intense typing sessions, and with a fairly light touch, you can quite easily type any letter, and this can really mess up your workflow. If you prefer a more compact keyboard, this is an excellent option in the category. TKL, that is, it does not have this calculator section on the right side. You might know what I'm talking about, and this keyboard is perfect for those looking to save desk space without compromising the typing experience. This keyboard is equipped with ELISE switches, available in clicky or linear versions, allowing customization according to your typing preferences. Despite its low price of around $50, this keyboard offers a solid build and RGB backlighting. You can adjust it to look just the way you like. One of the most great features of the AUKEY KMG14. It's its ergonomic design. The keys are slightly curved to better fit the shape of your fingers, which can slightly help reduce fatigue during long sessions of use. Additionally, the keyboard comes with full NK key rollover, which basically means you won't have any ghosting issues. A major plus for those who are gamers. While this keyboard isn't the quietest due to its clicky switches, its sturdy design and features make it a fantastic option for those looking for a compact mechanical keyboard, and affordable. Links to mentioned keyboard articles are in the description. Check the description for best prices. If you want to grab one of these, we're going to look for the best prices, and even according to him. Depending on the country you're in, you might see different platforms where you can buy these keyboards. REDRAGON K650. Elite. For those who need an even more compact option, there's this one. REDRAGON, which is a 60% mechanical keyboard you should consider. This keyboard is perfect for those looking for portability without sacrificing mechanical functionality. This REDRAGON keyboard stands out for its low-profile tactile switches, which provide a fast and precise typing experience. Despite its small size, this keyboard doesn't skimp on features, including RGB backlighting, with 18 preset modes. Most of the keys have secondary functions activated by the FN key, which allows you to access all the necessary functions in a compact format. A unique feature of this keyboard is that its switches are interchangeable, which means you can customize it. Even more so if you decide to change the switches in the future. However, due to its compact design, it doesn't have dedicated arrow keys, which can be a drawback for some users. HAVIT KB487L, the best compact mechanical keyboard for work and web. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that's versatile for both work and play, the HAVIT KB487L is the best. The KB487L could be the perfect option for you. This keyboard features AUKEY red linear switches, which provide a quick and smooth response, making it ideal for intense gaming sessions. What sets this keyboard apart is its double injection PBT key design, which are not only durable but also feature a unique color scheme in white, black, and orange, giving it a distinctive and appealing look. This keyboard is especially useful for those who need a keyboard compact, but they don't want to give up the numeric keypad. This makes it an ideal tool for anyone working with spreadsheets or doing tasks that require a lot of numeric input. While the lack of navigation keys may indeed be a drawback for some, the overall layout of the keyboard is functional enough for most users. However, it should be noted that this unique design may not be to everyone's taste. Users who are accustomed to a more traditional key layout may find the switch a little more difficult, a little uncomfortable at first. Additionally, although this keyboard does not include backlighting, its attractive design and the quality of the keys somewhat compensate for this lack. In short, this keyboard is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact mechanical keyboard that is suitable for both work and gaming. The GTK845. Honestly, we were going to leave this keyboard out of the top picks, but it looks a lot like the previous one when it comes to the functionality you can get from it. For those looking for a keyboard that's great for both work and gaming, AUKEY845 is an outstanding choice. This full-size keyboard has a sleek and minimalist design, perfect for any work environment. It's available with several types of switches, including TTC, linear, tactile, or clicky, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your typing style. It also features an aluminum top plate, which adds a touch of durability and a premium look that you won't easily find in other keyboards in its category. It lacks features like backlighting, RGB. Its white lighting is more than enough for an office environment. Plus, its price, which is around $60, makes it a very attractive option for those looking for a quality mechanical keyboard for daily productivity. And there you have it, folks. These are the best mechanical keyboards. Best value for this year 2024. Each one of them has been carefully selected to give you the best combination of performance, durability, and price. But clearly, each of these keyboards has a different function compared to the others we've mentioned. So we invite you to check out the links in the description and take a close look at which one might suit your needs best.